DeepSeek R1 has created a lot of turmoil in the past few days in the AI industry. So today I want to propose a different kind of video. Let's see how R1 compares to ChatGPT-4 turbo model on Leetcode questions. These Leetcode questions will be chosen at random. We will be choosing 5 Leetcode questions and I will run them both on ChatGPT-4 turbo and on DeepSeek R1 at the same time. And let's see which one gives an accurate response, and at the same time we will also be able to see which one is faster. So let's start and let's choose our first Leetcode question. This is the first question, container with most water. Let's take this question and run it on both AI models and let's see how their solutions perform on Leetcode. Are the AI generated solutions going to pass or are they going to fail? Let's find out. And here we have the first solution. So after running it, we can see that it passes the 2 test cases when you click run. The R1 model is instead taking significantly longer, but let's see if we find a correct answer. And after a long wait, we do have an answer and it is working as well. Let's now try to repeat this with another Leetcode question, and again this has been selected at random. ChatGPT has literally just taken few seconds, whilst R1 is still in the thinking process. I'm going to speed up the video of R1 by 7 times because it's just too long, trust me, you don't want to just wait all those minutes. I think we can conclude our test here. What we're doing here is comparing apple with grapes. It doesn't make any sense as R1 is a chain of thought model, so of course it takes longer, but in theory it's better suited for more complex solutions. You can also run your tests, but here clearly ChatGPT-4 has been faster, giving us correct solutions. DeepSeek R1 has given the right solutions, but it has taken a really long time in this case. But again, we don't want to compare apples with grapes. We want to compare apples with apples. In this case, the OpenAI model that I was being offered on the free plan was ChatGPT-4 Turbo, which is designed to give quick answers. This kind of test is not accurate technically speaking because they are totally different and each one of them has its own purpose. So I just wanted to show you how they compare and how they differ in speeds and the way they find the solution, and you are free to do your own tests. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it somewhat useful to reach your goal. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as it allows me to keep creating more and better content for you, all completely free of charge. See you on the next video.